In this video, we're going to explore one of nature's most fascinating and elusive creatures, the badger. Known for their burrowing abilities, distinct, striped faces, and secretive lifestyle, badgers are full of surprising traits and behaviors that you probably didn't know. Badgers are members of the mustelid family, a group that also includes weasels, otters, ferrets, and wolverines. Their scientific names vary by species. For example, the European badger is Meles meles, while the American badger is Taxidia taxus. The word badger may derive from badge because of the white, badge-like stripe on their face. In Welsh, a badger is called Mochen Daear, which literally means earth pig. Badgers dig elaborate underground burrows called setts that can have multiple entrances and chambers. Some setts are so extensive that they have been occupied by successive generations for centuries. Badgers are meticulous about set hygiene. They regularly remove soiled bedding and designate specific latrine areas. A single set may have a dozen or more entrances to provide multiple escape routes from predators. Their sense of smell is extraordinarily acute, up to 800 times stronger than that of humans. Badgers are primarily nocturnal, which adds to their secretive, mysterious reputation. Despite their short legs, badgers can sprint up to about 20 miles per hour when threatened. They are among nature's best diggers, using long, curved claws to excavate tunnels in record time. European badgers live in social groups called clans, or seats, that may number 6 or more individuals. In contrast, American badgers tend to be more solitary, only coming together during mating. Badgers exhibit delayed implantation, a reproductive strategy where fertilized eggs remain dormant before developing. This delay allows them to time births so that cubs emerge when environmental conditions are most favorable. Cub mortality is high in the wild, making the nurturing behavior of the mother especially critical. Badgers have powerful jaws and a unique skull structure that prevents dislocation, allowing them to bite with formidable force. Their dental formula is well adapted for grinding both animal protein and plant matter. Although carnivorous by classification, many badger species are omnivorous and have a varied diet. Earthworms make up a huge portion of a badger's diet. Some can eat over 200 in one night. They also feed on insects, small mammals, fruits, and even carrion. The honey badger, often mistakenly grouped with true badgers, is renowned for its ferocity and fearlessness. Despite its tough reputation, the honey badger is more closely related to martens than to European badgers. Badgers use scent marking with anal gland secretions to communicate and define territorial boundaries. The musky odor they produce is strong enough to deter some predators. Badgers have a surprisingly wide vocal repertoire, including growls, barks, snorts, and even purrs. They sometimes emit a high-pitched scream when alarmed, adding to their enigmatic aura. Their facial markings differ among species and may serve as visual signals for species recognition. In many cultures, badgers are considered symbols of determination and resourcefulness. British folklore sometimes portrays badgers as wise, mystical creatures. In some Native American traditions, badgers are seen as protectors of the earth. The American badger is a basal member of its family, meaning it diverged very early from other mustelids. Fossil evidence shows badger ancestors date back over 2 million years. Their evolutionary adaptations for digging include a short, broad body and powerful forelimbs. Badgers' thick, loose skin allows them to twist and turn free from a predator's grasp. This loose skin also helps protect them from bites and scratches during fights. Their robust setts can change the local landscape by aerating the soil and mixing nutrients. Badgers are often considered ecosystem engineers because of their burrowing habits. They can help control populations of rodents and other burrowing pests. In some areas, badgers indirectly benefit farmers by reducing crop-damaging pests. Despite their nocturnal habits, badgers can occasionally be seen foraging during the day in remote areas. Their secretive nature means many details about their behavior still remain unknown to scientists. Badgers have been observed to change their activity patterns in response to human disturbances. In urban areas, they may forage at night around gardens and parks, sometimes becoming habituated to human presence. Studies have shown that badgers can navigate complex tunnel systems with remarkable accuracy. They are known to remember the exact locations of multiple set entrances and food caches. Badgers communicate through both vocalizations and body language, such as posture and grooming behavior. They sometimes use their forepaws to swat at predators as a warning before retreating underground. Badgers rarely bring food back into their sets, preferring to consume it immediately where it is found. Their foraging behavior minimizes the risk of attracting predators to the set. In captivity, badgers have shown the ability to learn simple tasks and recognize their keepers. Although largely solitary, badgers can sometimes be seen engaging in cooperative behavior during hunting. American badgers and coyotes have been documented working together, with each using its unique hunting style to flush out prey. This unusual interspecies cooperation highlights the adaptability of badgers in diverse ecosystems. Badgers can sometimes be surprisingly aggressive when cornered, willing to confront animals much larger than themselves. Their tenacity in defense has earned them reputations in popular media as nature's tough guys. Some badgers have been observed using available objects to probe or even inspect their surroundings, hinting at primitive tool use. The patterns of movement in and out of sets remain one of the most mysterious aspects of badger life. Despite many studies, researchers still struggle to accurately count badger populations because of their secretive habits. In Britain, badgers are legally protected under the Protection of Badgers Act, 1992. This protection has spurred numerous conservation efforts and studies about their ecology. Badgers have been at the center of controversy, especially in the UK, over their alleged role in spreading bovine tuberculosis. The so-called perturbation effect suggests that culling badgers may force them to roam and potentially spread disease further. In some regions, badger culls have led to dramatic shifts in population dynamics and social structure. Badger culling remains a highly contentious issue among conservationists, farmers, and policymakers. Their ability to carry diseases such as tuberculosis remains a mysterious and complex ecological interaction. Badgers appear in countless myths and legends, often depicted as cunning or magical creatures. In some European tales, badgers are said to guard secret treasures hidden underground. Ancient artwork from across Europe sometimes features badger motifs, suggesting their long-standing cultural importance. In some Native American stories, badgers are portrayed as wise teachers or protectors of the land. Their distinctive white facial markings have made them a popular emblem for various sports teams and organizations. Badgers are known to have strong homing instincts, returning to the same set year after year. When a badger dies, its kin may seal off the chamber of the set where it passed away, almost as if preserving its memory. Some researchers believe that badger social structure may hold clues to understanding the evolution of mammalian group behavior. Their ability to live in fragmented habitats, rural, suburban, and even urban, demonstrates their remarkable adaptability. Badgers' interactions with other burrowing animals, such as rabbits and foxes, create complex subterranean ecosystems. These interactions can sometimes be mutually beneficial. For example, a badger's tunneling may help a rabbit find a safe refuge. Badgers have been used as a model species for studying the effects of human encroachment on wildlife. Their population trends can serve as indicators of broader ecosystem health. The mysterious nature of badger sets has inspired both scientific inquiry and local legends in many communities. In some rural areas, it is said that a badger's set can be so extensive that it has its own neighborhood of tunnels. Badgers are capable of extraordinary feats of endurance, digging continuously for hours to create or maintain their burrows. Their secretive lifestyles mean that many aspects of their daily routines remain hidden from human eyes. Advances in camera trapping technology have only recently begun to unveil the hidden lives of badgers. Some scientists now use thermal imaging and sound sensors to study badger behavior in total darkness. Badgers' nocturnal activities have led to many unverified stories about ghostly apparitions in rural areas. Despite being widely studied, the full complexity of badger communication, through scent, sound, and body language, remains one of nature's enduring mysteries. Social grooming in badgers strengthens bonds and can even help reduce parasite loads. Some European badger clans have a dominant hierarchy, with larger boars asserting authority over smaller males. During mating season, the social dynamics within a badger clan can shift dramatically. Badgers are highly territorial. They vigorously defend their sets from intruders. The scent marks at set boundaries may contain chemical information about an individual's reproductive status. Badgers use their keen sense of hearing to detect approaching danger even when underground. They can sense vibrations in the soil, alerting them to footsteps or digging by other animals. In some studies, badgers have been shown to use landmarks and spatial memory to navigate their territories. Their foraging trips can extend several miles from the set when prey is scarce. Badgers' underground tunnels are so intricate that some sets have passages measuring hundreds of meters in total length. In some cases, badgers have been known to block set entrances with soil and vegetation for protection during storms. When threatened, badgers may rear up on their hind legs in a defensive display. We hope you enjoyed these amazing and surprising animal facts. The animal kingdom is full of wonders, and there's always more to discover. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Stay tuned for more incredible facts. See you in the next video.